To update your Experian credit report, start by visiting the Experian website and creating an account if you do not already have one. This will give you access to your credit report and allow you to monitor it for any inaccuracies or outdated information. Once you have logged in, review your credit report carefully, checking for any errors or inaccuracies. Look for incorrect addresses, employment information, or account details. Make a note of any discrepancies you find, as you will need to dispute these with Experian. To dispute an error, click on the Dispute button next to the incorrect information and follow the prompts to submit a dispute request. You will need to provide documentation to support your claim, such as a copy of your identification or proof of address. Experian will investigate your dispute and update your credit report if the information is found to be incorrect. You can also add a consumer statement to your credit report to explain any negative marks, such as a late payment or account closure. In addition to disputing errors, you can also add new information to your credit report, such as a new employment history or a recently paid off debt. To do this, click on the Add New Information button and follow the prompts to submit your update request. It is also a good idea to monitor your credit report regularly to ensure it remains accurate and up to date. You can set up alerts to notify you of any changes to your credit report. And you can also request a free credit report from Experian once a year. Remember to keep records of any disputes or updates you submit, including the date and details of the request. This will help you track the progress of your updates and ensure that your credit report remains accurate. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Experian credit report is accurate and up to date, which can help you maintain good credit and achieve your financial goals.